okay, friend?
I'm all right, girl.
Stop the car! What's going on here?
Evening started well, but when it was only a few minutes underway, a tragic accident on the site.
Hello? I need your help in this accident. We are always happy to help. Yeah, bravo! Go, go, go!
Let's go! It's over there!
I need your help. Thank you.
Oh, so close!
Hello? I'm here.
Let's go! Let's go! Safe, and let's go home. Let's go. Let's do the right thing.
I brought the gas back.
Whoa! Ha ha ha!
Stop the car!
Nice pass.
Congratulations!
Congratulations are in order.
Goodbye.
Let's go.